कसं आहे आपलं
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
So, are you all ready with your first week project?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so raise your hand and I will call you for your project. Arijit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so share your screen and
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
us about your project.
Okay, ma'am. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So, ma'am, I have created a website for a music band or an artist, and I have created with I created it with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Tailwind CSS. So at first, I created multiple divs here. First for a navigation bar, which has the title of the singer, and sidebar, that is basically basically a button type of menu that can be it's a scroll down basically. Anyways, next I have added a hero section for this website where there's the name of the singer and some text text that is in a div with a scroll effect. And after that, I have created the song section that has all the songs of the singer, and I have created a grid effect for it, which holds the card that stores the name of the songs and album, all those things. And the code for that is in my script file where I created this created the code for it using an array of object that comes from this file. And after that, I have copied the same code for the album 2, and then I have created a section for the concerts that also holds similar kind of data using data from this file that I've created that has multiple array of objects. And uh, ma'am, can I show the website now?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so ma'am, this is the website, and as I said, there's a sidebar for it that helps us navigate to each section of the website. There's this show more button that extends whenever we want to see all the songs that are available here, and added the same effect for albums as I said earlier. And there's the concert section that has a horizontal scroll that uses the scroll bar from our mouse, and I added the same effect here for the facts about the singer. And that's about it, ma'am.
Okay, it is a good project and it was a very good presentation as well, Arijit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Piyush,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, now you can share your screen.
Yeah, sure. Hello.
Yes,
Am I audible, ma'am?
yes, you are audible.
Okay. So let me show you the website first, then I'll explain the code. So I have made the food website where you can order your food, and as well as you can make your reservation from your food. So first of all, I have made the nav bar here, and I have added some icons and headings, and there are some menus and galleries like the links here. By tapping on them, you can directly go to the menus, and by tapping the gallery, you can directly go to the galleries as well. And here is the hero section where I have added some things like the welcome page type, and here is the button, and I have added some transition on them. After that, we have our menu section where we can represent our the things that or we can say the specialty of our cafes and restaurant like the pasta, fresh coffee and all. And also we have gallery like the photos of our main things or the specialty. And here you can also do the reservation like the example like I have written my name, and here I have written the Gmail and I have written the date for reservation. And when you will click the book button, then you will see the pop-up message that your reservation has been booked successfully. And here is some testimonials, the reviews of the customers, and in the last we have footer. So this was the website. Now I'll tell you the code. So here is the code, the like the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So in the HTML, so first of all we have the header section. In the header section, I have included the one icon and one heading, and as well as some menus by which you can directly go to the particular menu. Like when if I click here, so I will go directly to the menu section. And then we have the hero section, like where we have the heading and some paragraphs by which we can attract the customers. And in the now we have the menu section, and I have added some images of the our menus like the pasta and coffee that I have already told you. And next section we have gallery section. In that we have added the photos of our specialty of our cafes. And in the reservation section, we have created one form by which you can fill your details for the reservation. In the testimonials, we will write the reviews of our customers, and there is a photo section that we have created the rights of uh, our website. And here is the CSS for each and every type of element. So it is a simply basic properties of the CSS. Uh, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Piyush.
Yeah, yeah. So we have written some basic properties of CSS like for navbar and for hero section. So all these are the basic CSS properties. If there is any type of like it is like some things, I mean some important properties like the transition for smooth effects, and we have added some background colors, the background images for our hero section as well. And we have created display flex so that we can rearrange the items in a row, and we can also change the direction of the flex as well. Box shadow so that we can pop up the our card, or we can add the shadow behind our section or behind our card. And at hover section, like when we are hovering any button, so it will translate on y minus 5. It means whenever we hover on the button, so it will create the smooth effect on the upper side. So like we already know about axis, so when we will hover on that button, so it will see, we can see the smooth transition in there. So it is all, I mean, the basic properties of CSS like the transition, borders, transforms, background, display, and here also I have used some grid. Grid is also used for rearranging the items. And for if you have image and if you want to cover all the background of your section, so you can use the no repeat. It is an option by which you can use to fill the background. And in the JS section, we have basically using the HTML like document to I mean to call the all the HTML page by which we can reserve our place in our cafes. So yeah, this is from myself.
Okay, Piyush. It was a very good website, a very beautiful UI, and a very good presentation as well. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Prashant, you can now share your screen and
Yes,
present
ma'am.
your project. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Is my screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So I have choose this problem, hotel booking. I have made a hotel booking website UI interface which have date picker, room gallery, and price grid. So this is my overview of website. Not that much good, but I will just explain you code. So this is my HTML main code part, and this is style CSS, and this is JavaScript. In my HTML code, I have divided into six sections. First section is header, second section is heroes section, and the third one is booking form section, and fourth one is room gallery section, and the fifth one is pricing section, and last one is footer. So my in my header section, it contains hotels brand, which you can see that prestige place, and this room pricing and booking. Now when we click on room, these are the CSS effect I have used, and this CSS effect is known as hover effect. And you can see there are three options: deluxe room, executive suite, and presidential suite, and these are the pricing with the maximum guest and the pricing. And from this section we can just check out and check in. And this I have used flat picker calendar, which provide us ready-made calendar, and which we here we can also select the date range if you want. Like, you can easily set, and we can check the ability. If anyone can want to access, you can scan this QR from, and it is available for your mobile phone also. Okay, ma'am, can you scan this QR and check the status for mobile?
Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
It is not opening on my phone actually.
Why, ma'am?
You
Wait,
can share
ma'am.
you can just scan on your phone and share the screenshot in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am, wait. Okay, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, is my screen is visible right now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, wait. Ma'am. I think, ma'am, the link is expired.
Okay, so the same page is opening on my phone as well. VQR.
Okay, wait, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes.
Um, we can check just, ma'am, room pricing. book now status, and contact us options. And
Okay, so can you tell us about how you have created the QR?
ma'am, we just forwarded our port. You can see you can ma'am see that there is a you can see 5500 option. This is the port
Yeah.
number. And this is the port number. Actually, I'm using GitHost. So from there, I just host my just putting by just host number and change visibility to public. Then it will generate a link. Then I just copy that link and go to any online site and just search for link to QR generator. Then it will generate a QR for me
Okay.
until my port is open for public users. The QR will be visible and everyone can access it from anywhere.
Okay, okay. It is a very good information. Everybody should know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
And I don't use any so much extra like extra knowledge. I have just created in a very simple manner whatever you taught. Like I don't use any extra and not use that much chat GPT. I just use my own idea and I just take help chat GPT in my JavaScript section because I need actually I'm not good in JavaScript right now, so I've just take a little bit help from ChatGPT for JavaScript section and
Okay,
all
okay.
things you can say clearly. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, it is a very good project and a very good presentation. There was some new information for everyone in your project. It is a very good habit. I hope everybody else can also learn how you can directly uh, make your project live for everybody. There is no deployment needed over here, just a QR that you can show to anyone. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Steve, you have unmuted yourself. Do you want to say something? Steve Parekh? Okay. Gaurav Kumar,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
You can now share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, visible? My screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh, just a simple like a code and I'm creating a movie website landing page in a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can just I just view in JavaScript. It is actually it's a navigations bar, and searching options that is called movie commercial and banner designing and background. We can click any poster. We can change background posters, and just in case in the help of you can social media account like this YouTube, uh, Instagram, Twitter, and just a simple code like simply just there um, class sections like adult, kids, and so on. That's a crucial bar like I'm pasting up like a movie posters, and just this is uh, this portion is like a mm, social media account, and this is JavaScript, and mainly I code in CSS, just a simple code like how can put down a size, how can put down like banner size, background, and JavaScript portion is simply like I simply like a banner contains an image, covers, and centers. Simply, ma'am. Simply, I designed this code. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Do you have any considerations like what you can make it, how you can make it more better?
Like, ma'am, better like a real world API project. Like,
Okay, so integrating backend over backend
uh,
in this.
like Netflix, like Geo Hotstar.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
it is a good presentation. Very good, Gaurav.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Krishna, you can now share your screen.
Can you hear my voice? Hello.
Yes, it is visible. Your screen is visible now.
And my voice is clear or not?
Yes, your voice is clear.
And my project name is TechBlog website. In this project, there are two files. One is index.html and another is index.css. In my project at my side, there is no need using JavaScript functionality, so that is why I am not added JS file in this project. In HTML, use div tag and give class name and ID name for presentation. And in CSS, I use grid container, and in the grid container, I use various grid card with images of the tag blog website categories, author bio, and also give website link for more information about the specific tag blog website. This is the website. For further information, I can add link. And this is at my site.
Krishna, you were presenting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have presented very well. Just from next time, try to explain your code more, like how you have created your website. Otherwise, it was a good website. You can enhance your UI,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
it is a good website.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bala Yesu, are you there?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You can now share your screen.
Okay, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, are you seeing my screen, ma'am? Hello.
No, I cannot see your screen now.
Okay, wait a minute. Ma'am, right now, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, just a minute.
Hello. Okay.
Right now it is black.
Black. Ma'am, now, ma'am. Ma'am, right now, ma'am.
It is coming black. Wait for a few more minutes. I think it will get back. Okay, so it is visible at Rahul's side. Everyone just tell me if it is visible at your end.
Whenever it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, so then you can start your presentation. I will try to fix it at my
Okay.
end then.
Okay. This is my code, ma'am. So this is the HTML code, and it is the CSS code, and it is the JavaScript code. So based on this, I created one of the simple website which is related to the restaurant website. Already someone is presented, but it is little bit different from other project to my project, ma'am. So here I'm showing my project here. So this is my product, ma'am. So here we can see what are the food items are present in there. So just roughly, I added only few of the items. So if you want, we can add another items also, and we can also add some of the carousels. But here, as a we just completed some of the concepts in there, so that's why what are the
Hello.
concepts we.
Sorry for the interruption. Just give me a minute. I will fix it then because I'm not able to see your project.
Okay, okay,
Just a
okay,
minute.
okay.
Yes, now it is visible to me.
Yeah, okay, okay, ma'am. So I'm sharing my screen and my code here. So this is the HTML code, ma'am, and. So first of all, I'll show my output, and after I'll explain code with the properties for what I have used in there. So it is like simple restaurant website, ma'am. So here I have used some of the concepts which I have till now covered in our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. So here I have added only few of the item food items. If you want, we can also give more items, but just now I gave some of the items which is present here. And if we click here, it will directly go to the menus and whatever the reservations if you want, and whatever the testimonials we have received from the customers. And if you want, we can also give our names and we can get the registration from the website. So here we can register. if I give the date like today or something, any random date. So it will show one of the pop-up, right? Okay, you have successfully registered in there. Then art will become at that point of time. So uh, so in this, I have taken some of the uh, box model properties and also used some of the picks from where I can get the URLs. So those are free pick and packsyllab URLs. So you can see here, I can get, I got these URLs from the resources like free resources like free pick, that kind of websites. I have taken that, and after here I have used some of the concept which is present to the box model properties, and also have used some of JS, JavaScript, like simple methods which we have covered till now. So it will show this kind of result and output, ma'am. You can see here. So when we click this, this page will be entered into that menus, and the reservations we can see, and also we can see the testimonials. Now, if you want, we can add another more testimonials, and we can also, if you develop the another more backend, then we can get the complete information about that. But till now, whatever the concept we have covered, so based on that, I have designed my website like this now. So that's what I have made today.
Okay, very good job. It is a good website. You have presented it also very well. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tanuj?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes. Now you can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible to me.
Ma'am, this is a restaurant website. Name is Yummify. This is the home page. This is the hero section I added. This is the category or means gallery about the images of the categories like Indian Chinese. This is a section where which service is
Tanuja, I
provided
guess
by the.
your screen is not shared now.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. This is my website. This is the hero section, and this is the card section or category section. I added the category. This is a section which can tell about the what services provided and why choose the MFI. This is the section where I added the discount, and this is the review section. And this is the footer section. Also added the quick links, and this is the about section. I added some information about the MFI. The block section added the some blocks block section, and to reserve the table, and after booking this table it shows the message successful, and this is the contact page. Also it is a responsive website, and in mobile device it show it's visible. This is show in mobile, and also in this I add the hamburger menu for the mobile. I show my code. This is the home page or index dot page. I use the font awesome for the icon, and in this I added the logo menu item. Also some card section or information contained in this index.html. In the style the CSS I added the style, and in script I added the logic about the hamburger menu. Also I add some pages. It is about page. I add some content in this page. Blog page, contact page. Here is the form and then reservation. But man, one problem is that in the React, we can import the component and directly use. But in the JavaScript, I have to rewrite the content like header and footer for each page. You can see, ma'am. Ma'am, any suggestion or any idea?
It is a very good website. Your UI is very good. If you want, you can just add the backend and we will cover it and make it a full stack website. Apart from
Okay,
that,
ma'am.
e-commerce like add to cart can be added,
Yes,
right?
yes,
And
ma'am.
even when
I,
when you will build your backend, you can integrate authentication system since you have provided the login button. So there are
yes,
multiple
ma'am.
features that you can add.
Yes, ma'am. I only see the add the login button, but not any logic add in for the login button.
Yeah, because it is only the front end part for now.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. You can enhance this website later on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Otherwise, it is a very good website. Yeah. Okay. Bala Yesu, I have seen your project. You can now unraise your hand. Harshad?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. Can
Hello.
I share
You
my?
can now. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, okay, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am? Screen. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, it is visible to me. Yes.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, ma'am. First, I introduce myself. My name is Harshad Ramkrishna. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. I completed my BCA degree. Okay. Then I made the portfolio website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Here is a code of the website. Here is matlab I divided sections. Matlab I built many sections for each about it. Here is the home section, the code for home section. Then second section is about section. Then services section. Then a portfolio, and then footer section, contact. Okay, and here's a footer side and the style. Okay, I am just show my website. Okay, this is my website. Okay, this is not my photo. This is a dummy photo, and mm, uh, this is my LinkedIn link. You can click here. It can go to LinkedIn profile. Okay. Uh, then it GitHub, then Instagram account, then my WhatsApp number, then download CV, CV is here, and then about me, then the my services, web development, design. We can click here to know about sections. Okay. Then the section about the project. The matlab I this is dummy. I matlab not added it. I will update soon. Whenever I get a time, I will update here my project. Okay. Then here contact me section. There we can my name has well sorry and email about K also hello again it's uh, okay it's submitted email and I receive email from this. I use this forms free website in my website. It's okay. Go back. Here we can okay. This is a responsive website. Then uh, can I audible, ma'am? Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, yes. This is a okay. This is a responsive website. We can click everywhere. Right. Okay. Mm. So this is a responsive website. You can never any problem in we can continue in website in any mobile screen or size. Okay. Uh, okay. That's CSS code. Mm. Okay, that's CSS code. Here is a code of responsive site media. Okay, the and the JavaScript code. Add this uh, code. Uh, this section about that key that's changing name that key I am software developer. Okay, it's I am front end developer. Uh, they can change name per second. Okay, and he about to item uh, up and down. That's it. My website. Ma'am, can you share your idea? How can I modify? And I can.
It is a good portfolio. Just add your projects now. That will be okay for now. And whenever you will learn some backend, you can also add few pages like your CV directly, or
Mhm.
you can directly provide deployed links of your project. Then your portfolio will be enhanced.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. Can I stop sharing my screen, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Rahul Singh Rawat, you can now share your screen.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, and good evening.
So, ma'am, I have built same thing, personal portfolio website. Let me. So, ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes,
So, I direct to the. So, ma'am, can you see the website now?
yes, yes, it is visible now.
So, I have made this simple portfolio website. Um, as I choose this because I think it will be like good for my like future projects too, where I can store my project, track my records, and much over. So that's why I have choose this. And let me show you some features. Like here, uh, I have used some animation using JavaScript, and here we can see in header section there is home about like here I have given about my graduation projects, my backgrounds, what I have made and from which background I come from. And here comes projects which how many projects I have made and what kind of projects I have made. There is a portfolio of this, and it also contains a skill section where like I have some skills like CSS, JavaScript, Python, and there I have given a bar like how good in each skill I am. And at last I have given a contact, like if someone want to contact me, send me message or anything. And I have also like added one features in from JavaScript here. It's that this dark mode. If we like click on it, it just change its color uh, of whole website to darker to white. And also to make it more attractive, I have just added a color grading like I show you. in which if like user want to change its color like this from like pink, blue, red, black, so he can like adjust, and I just added these features so the website look more attractive and good. Now let me show you the code of this website. So I have uses three things as first is HTML, second is CSS, and third is JavaScript. So for HTML, first one is like header, where it contains home, about, project, skills, and second is hero section, where is like my introduction. In about section, it's all about my degree, background, and in project section, what I have made previously and what will I will make in future. And in my skills section, it's about the coding languages and other skills I know. And at last, there is a contact section if someone want to like contact me. So this is CSS of my project, where like in each section
Rahul, your mic has been muted.
hello ma'am, I audible now?
Yes, you are audible now.
Okay ma'am, just I have to revise it again.
No, no, no. It is a very good website. The color feature is
Okay.
very interesting
Yes ma'am.
because since you have given the dark mode and light mode, so the user or the anyone who wants to access your portfolio website, they can uh, choose any of the color that is comfortable to them. And for future purpose, you can enhance it, like adding few if you are okay, and you can add your image. And in the project section, since you have given the card like format, so you can add a background image to those cards, and then whenever you will be having a deployed link for your projects, so you can provide the link to your card. So whenever the user or the recruiter will be accessing your portfolio, so they will just click on that particular card and they will be directly move on to the deployed link, right? So you
Okay
can
ma'am,
just
sure.
enhance it in your portfolio.
Yes ma'am, in future I will do more for it.
Yes, because it is a very good website. You have already started with a very interesting feature. You can now enhance it whenever you will learn the backend and learn the deployment of your projects. Well done.
Okay ma'am. Okay ma'am, thank you.
Abhishek Maurya, you can just now unraise your hand. I have seen your project. Abhishek Kumar, you can now present your project. Rahul, you can now stop your sharing. Abhishek Kumar, are you there? Okay. Your mic has been muted. Yeah, now it is unmuted.
Hello, Anshika, what happened?
Sir, I am taking their presentation for their projects.
Hmm. So is their mic is anyone is muting them?
No, sir, I don't have any complaint from them about this.
Okay. If you think if you feel if there is any issue, anyone is creating any issue though, so we can take the access and we can mute them all. Okay. So that
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
the presentation will go smoothly. Fine.
Yes, sir. I will let you know
Okay, fine, fine.
at
Please
once. Yeah.
continue.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir. Okay, Abhishek, you can fix it. And just let me know when you are ready. I will call you directly. Yes, Satyan. Now you can share your screen.
Good evening, ma'am. Is my screen able?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Okay, ma'am. So I had made a portfolio website. I just wanted to gather to make it for my future also. So I just start with a header section where I put a nav bar section where home, skills, experience, and all its sections, and then comes a hero part. I just wanted to keep it short and simple, so that's why I just kept a very low detail in hero sections. And then moving towards the skills part, I've categorized in four parts: front end, back end, languages, and tools. And then coming to the experience part, I've done some few internship and some open source contributor. That's why I added them. And then comes the education part, and there is a section project for project section where I have also given a deployed link and a GitHub repo. And then comes to a contact form where someone can send me the message whatever they want to convey. And then comes a footer section. And now coming to a style in css, I have just uses few basic styling and use the custom properties using a root where I just put on all the required colors and gradient colors and text font size and all, so that I can use it throughout the CSS. And coming to a script part, I have just used a few smooth scrolling JS query and handling a contact forms where I have handled the contact form where I just make sure that the all the inputs are available, and I just made some CSS changes whenever they submitted the contact form. Now just I can show you the website. This is the my portfolio website where I just make the things simple, and I just this is my home section where I just put on these information. And now coming to a skills part, I have added a cards. In this card part, I just added a background with a opacity, so that's how it's look like a card. And now coming to a experience part, I have just added the same in a card format, and that's how our education part looks like. And this is my project which I use as a flexbox. So that's how it looks. And now the contact, coming to a contact form, whenever we send a message, it just put on it clear the screen, and also it just put on a thank you message. That's all from me. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Satyam. It is a very good portfolio. You have already added your projects also very
Yes,
well.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So, what you have thought of adding to your portfolio website in the future?
Ma'am, there is a very I have added my social profiles and resume part, and I also can add a chatbot type something in the future. I think in the React part I can make it more good. I guess.
User friendly.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will your chatbot help to the user or the recruiter who will access your portfolio website?
Ma'am, it can be sometimes like if they have a query about my experiences level, like what can I, like what kind of experience I have in React and all. So that chatbot can like reply with that.
Okay, okay. Okay, it is a good project, Satya. You can enhance
Thank you,
it
ma'am.
in later in the future. Good job.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. You're welcome. Yes, Abhishek, are you ready now? Abhishek Kumar? Abhishek, I guess I am not able to hear you. I can see your mic has been unmuted. Is Abhishek audible to others?
No, ma'am.
Abhishek, we are
No,
not
ma'am.
able
Your
to
voice.
hear you, I guess. Okay, so we will see his presentation later on. Advait, you can now start your presentation. Advait, I am not able to hear you. What about others? Are you all able to hear him?
No, ma'am. We are not hearing
No,
them.
ma'am.
We are hearing only you, ma'am.
Abhishek, Advait, just see, we are not able to hear you. We can see your screen though. Okay, I'm moving to Saad. Saad, you can now share your screen and present your project.
Okay, ma'am. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Mohammed Saad. I designed built portfolio website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to showcase my skills. Uh, Here, right at the top, the hero section introduce me with a dynamic typing animation that highlights my different roles like web app development, like responsive UI designer. Here you can see, ma'am. One feature I particularly proud of is a dark and light theme toggle. It makes this site more user friendly. It also implements smooth scrolling and revealing animation. Then I have added the about section here. It gives a quick overview of me and the project section where you can see the projects which I have done here, and the resume section where a visitor can view my resume online or it can be downloaded there. And then the experience section, then come the party skill section and the contact section where you can contact like where the message has sent successfully. I have even added my LinkedIn, GitHub, and email, so user can contact me through that. I have even added contact me on the top also, so directly you can go and contact me. So that's my portfolio website now.
Try to explain some of your code part also.
Yeah, the code. This is my HTML now. So first the navbar hero section. Like I have done the part things here. Resume section and even the skill section. Contact and the footer. Here is my CSS. And in the JavaScript, I have added like animations and scrolling toggle thing which I have showed like after scrolling it will come like that. Like when we hover this thing, it animates like different color. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, it is a good website. A very good feature of on and off. That is turning your website to light and dark mode. You have already added projects also. Well done. And even
Ma'am,
the live resume.
yeah, ma'am, I'm facing one issue, ma'am. Like I have
Yes.
uploaded this on GitHub, ma'am. After uploading on GitHub, like from here I can't. You can see, ma'am. Like its site is looking dangerous, ma'am. So we can visit it like this, ma'am. So why it's coming? I can't. Like,
So is it your deployed link?
yeah, ma'am, I have deployed on GitHub, ma'am. You can see. This is my code I have deployed on GitHub, ma'am. If we try to see this website, it's coming. The site is get dangerous, so we can visit unsafe, ma'am, like this. Like I have added this thing now, ma'am. Like for a contact, if we send like some message, it will send now. Like if I open the mail, you can see, ma'am. The mail has came, ma'am. I guess
Yeah.
this is making it dangerous, ma'am.
Try to deploy it on any other platform like Versal or something and see if it is showing the same thing.
Okay, I don't have a version, ma'am, so I'll check it once.
Yeah, just you have to create the login, your account on Versal, and then you will be able to do it. You can do see the any YouTube video, and you will get that. It is a very easy way to
Yeah.
do that.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do.
Try doing that, and if in case it face any problem, then just let me know. I will see
Okay.
that.
Thank you.
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
Can I stop sharing?
Yes, yes. Abhishek, I think you have joined again. Abhishek Kumar, are you there? Advait, are you ready now? Advait, still I'm not able to hear you. I can only see your screen. Then I will see someone's. Sridevi, are you there?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, and you can now
Okay,
share your screen.
okay.
एक बार बोल रही हूँ मैम आई एम ऑडिबल बोल रही हूँ
Yes, Abhishek, now you were audible.
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
call you after. I will call you after Sridevi now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, now you can share.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. So I chose the personal portfolio project as it might help me in my job search as well. So I built a very basic working model for now. It has to be updated with much more details later. So this is the main page, and I have added few menu options and uh, along with the contact form as well. So the main thing I used is I tried to load each section on an individual basis instead of scrolling. And I added the get in touch option, which takes to the contact page. And the resume will open the document for further actions. And uh, yeah, basically, and the project sections, I displayed it like a card. I wanted it to make it a small card, but since I have one project, I tried to make it occupy most of the place with the link to Git repository and any demo video if it is there. Uh, and coming to the code part, like the main skeleton of the HTML I used was having the header, uh, and in the header I tried to use the menu options with separate sections for each item, and along with the contact form as well, and a footer. For now, I my both CSS and JavaScript are inside the HTML. I will reiterate it and update the GitHub as well, and I'll make it separate files. For the CSS part, these are the main components which I thought I can highlight what I have used. Like I use the root section to give the main color and accents for the entire page. And basically the main thing I tried to play around with was the display. Like for main items, menu and other sections, I tried to use Flex. For the skills section, I tried to use grid so that it is nicely spaced with in rows and columns. And for making each section active, I tried to use the block and none. So as and when the menu item is selected, the block is the display gets activated. That particular block gets activated. And coming to the JavaScript, uh, I tried to
Shri,
use this. Yeah, is my screen visible? Sorry.
your screen is visible, but I think your screen is stuck. I can only see your projects page.
Okay, okay. Just a minute. Is my page visible now?
Yes, now it is visible. Internship project presentation.
Yeah. Is my HTML components page visible? I'm unable to
Yeah.
see. Okay. So here, this is the main HTML skeleton which I have used, like having the header with menu items, a navigation list, various sections for each of the content, along with the forms and footer. And for now, I have used the script and style inbuilt into the HTML. I'll try to update it in the next iteration. And is my CSS components page visible now?
Yes, yes, Shri.
Okay, these are the main components which I wanted to just set to set in this presentation was having the root element where I set the primary colors for the entire page, and then the uh, body part where I tried to use the font family imported from the Google Fonts, and the header having being on the top, which always keeps is always displayed. The main part I tried to play with was the display items. Like I tried to play with the flex, grid, and block and none, and that helped in the basically viewing and hiding and showing the content. Is my JavaScript page visible now?
Yes, Shri.
Yeah. So in the JavaScript item here, I've tried to make the active, and whenever any menu item is clicked, I try to make it active. And the get in touch, the button which takes to the contact pages is done in the script event listener. And for now, the form validations, I try to just give an alert. So when any details are missing, I try to make everything as required. And as and when if the data is missing, it will try to alert. And even the submission, I try to give an alert for now. And coming to the code, is my code screen visible?
For now, I can see your JavaScript.
Okay, I'll make it. I'm almost done. Just give me a minute, please. Is my code visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So for now, I have put the photo and the image which I used on the front page, and also the resume in the same folder. But I would like to know what is the best practices to make these things available when we are deploying. So yeah, this is my code as of now.
Okay, Shri. A very good presentation with all the PPT and stuff. Very well. So have you written the whole code in the one file, which is check.html?
Yeah, actually, for now, I I thought I'll just update it. I'll make it into separate and have the link sheet. I'll mention that and make it and re-upload it to GitHub. I'm sorry for that.
No problem. You can enhance it later on. Apart from that, it was a very good presentation.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Abhishek, are you there?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible now. And
Sorry
I
for
can
that.
see someone is lowering everyone's hand. That is not good. You won't be able to access this feature also from next time. And from tomorrow onwards, I will just ask everybody to write their names on chat box, and then I will call everybody one by one.
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
And yes, I know you. Every few people have left with their projects. So Abhishek's project will be the last project for today, and I will see other projects tomorrow.
Uh,
Okay? Yes, Abhishek. Now you can share your screen.
okay, ma'am. So ma'am, I created my personal portfolio as a professional, so I use ma'am. My screen is now visible.
Yes, it is
Hello.
visible, Abhishek.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So I used GSAM for the animation, and also I use Google Form for the font family. And there is next thing, I use GSAM trigger for the smooth scrolling lens, and also used for JavaScript and CSS. In a CSS, in CSS, I used simply for color and also keyframe as a and I use marquee. And I show my portfolio. Just a second, ma'am. This is the simply this show is loading screen. First of all, when the show the full page, and this is the website is fully responsive. Just I show it. Yeah, this screen fully responsive for all devices like tablet, mobile phone, and desktop. And there is first of thing in this navbar, which is have hover effect to changing and color, and also add for small screen to hamburger menu, which is showing at 720 pixels for small screens. Hamburger menu fully responsive, and there is a hero section shows my short introduction, and also icons which is connect to me, and also use download resume for download my resume. And also
Hello,
there is a
ma'am. I cannot see the screen, ma'am.
also I use Marquee for show my command line using two language I better understand. There is about to me section where I use one stack, so I use the icon, and also there is a text so fully defined about me, which highlight when we scroll the page with GSAM. And also I add education section where I my completed my bachelor's and master's degree. Also add my other project for Monstacks and also CSS, HTML, which is pet bridge front end only. There is contact me used to email JS to ignore for the backend. There is somebody mail to connect me, and also there is a footer section where I added to more information about me. That's it. Hello.
Yes, Abhishek. It is
Yeah,
a very
ma'am.
good project. Like it has multiple features and very interesting features. Like you have given the map also.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is good. Even your contact form is very good.
And also, ma'am, I more interactive website to modify this, which is React and Tailwind CSS. Can I show it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is React. I modified and used more interactive animation like 3JS, and there is just a second, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. This this is my more like modified my project for using the multiple components. Yeah, this. This components is using UI metal, and also same for it. This looks like this is timeline to show my education, and also this is my project section where I if I hover then it show the image of the my project, and there's same of about it. And there is my code where I use component, six component about
Abhishek, I'm not able to see your screen. I think Advait, you have shared your screen. Why is that so?
I'm sorry.
Abhishek, just reshare your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second. Yeah. Now is visible, ma'am. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. This is.
Okay, it is a very good website.
Yes, ma'am.
Good
This,
job.
and also, ma'am, there is a lot of animation and also smooth effect for all of the device, and also this is responsive. There is some bug about in this website, but I at the time I fix it when I more about front end, know about front end. Like when we on a small screen, then it will this this stuck in icons for not properly working, but I under the time I fix it.
Yeah, I think you have to fix your Tailwind
Yes, ma'am.
properties
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
classes actually.
Yes, ma'am. Because that because of Joe, there is a old web portfolio. I cut and paste Tailwind CSS, saving to my time. That's why it is not working properly.
Okay, you can fix it, no problem. Otherwise, it is a very good project with your all the animations and all the things that you have integrated. Good job.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhishek. Okay, so this will be the last presentation for today. I will take all the other everyone's project tomorrow. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. I will see everyone's project. Okay, so for today, this we can wrap the class. Thank you for being in the session till end. And tomorrow we will see the other projects. Okay, so now you all are allowed to leave the call. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, is anyone is there?
Yes, yes, Harshad.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Advait. Now
I
you
am
are
audible.
audible.
Thanks, ma'am. Okay, okay. Tomorrow I am present, ma'am.
Okay, okay, no problem. Others, we can connect tomorrow. You can now leave the call. Okay, so if you have any doubts, we will meet tomorrow. No problem. For now, just leave the session. Ayush, Ishad, Jaya, Sneha. Guys, do you want to ask something? Okay, thank you, Ishad. Ayush and Jaya.